Hi friends, welcome back to All Rounder Kathy. In this video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful Christmas ornament. So let's start. First, to make Christmas hollies, we'll need a wire and some thermocol balls. The length of the wire is up to your wish. After fixing the thermocol balls in the wire, paint it using red paint. By saying red paint, I mean red acrylic paint. After the paint is dried completely, our Christmas hollies are ready for crafting. To make the bells, we will need this ice cream can. Remove the cap and keep it safe for our next craft. I'll soon upload a video in it. Paint the ice cream can in any color you want. And also make hole at the bottom of the ice cream cans. Make leaves using green colored glitter foam sheet. Make 4 leaves. Now add yarn to hang the bells. If you are new to All Rounder Kathy channel, then subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will never miss a crafting video from me. Make multiple knots at the bottom so that the bell is secure to hang. I am using 2 bells. If you want, you can use 1 or even 3 bells. Tie the bells together like this. I am gluing both the bells together so that it won't go apart. Now it's time to add the leaves and Christmas hollies. Last year I uploaded a video on how to make a different type of Christmas holly berry. I used thermocol balls to make it, but I made it in a different way. So if you want, you can watch that video also. I'll give the link in description box. The glue that I used wasn't secured enough, so I am adding a piece of sellotape in the bottom of the bells like this. Now, at last, tie a knot at the top of the yarn like this so that it's ready to hang. So friends, what do you think about this bell? Tell me in the comment section below. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you in next video.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy